Hi, my name is Riette and I am from the scenic city of Pretoria. I'm a native English speaker, but I can also speak French because I grew up in England and France and I went to British international schools, which has given me a strong understanding for different cultures and languages. I'm certified to teach English through SUIT, the School of Online English Tutoring. I'm also GA Level 5 TEFL certified. And with my IELTS coaching certificates through I2I, I have helped many TOEFL, TOEIC, and IELTS students achieve high scores, allowing them admittance into English universities. I have taught English through Preply since 2020, and I attribute my success to the fact that I customize my students' lessons according to their strengths, weaknesses, and also their personal interests. So I would love to get to know you better. So please book your trial lesson with me so that I can show you my amazing lessons and so that I can talk to you about my different teaching techniques. I hope to see you soon. Bye.